a soccer guard, Studio One Line Productions. Man, we're going over the Mexico Liga MX Clausura and the Mexico Liga de Expansión Clausura. Clausura, what does that mean? Let's take a look real quick. Alrighty. Okay, they start the season off in the Apertura, where they play 17 games. They have a play-in, an Apertura playoffs, and then they go on Christmas break. And then after the break, or holiday break, they come out and start the Clausura, which I predicted some good games yesterday, some draws, so on and so forth. I had a 5-team parlay that just missed because my dumb self didn't pick Toluca on one of them. I picked the upset, and I knew better on that one. I overextended my upset specials like Club America. Why was they the underdog? I took Suarez plus half a point, Maslin plus half a point. But I went with Club Tijuana at home plus half a point, and I picked them, and they got destroyed by Toluca. I said, you know what? But so this is what I like to do anyway. I like to look at who was the top dogs in this Apertura. Let's check it out. Alright, let's take a look at these standings. I want to look at the Apertura. We know Cruz Azul was that dude, so they should be favored at Atlas. Then we got Guadalajara Chivas at Santos Laguna. Santos was way at the bottom, so Guadalajara Chivas should be. Let me write this down. Cruz Azul is my first favorite, and Guadalajara Chivas is my second favorite. That should win. Then we got Atletico San Luis at Tiger. Now that's going to be interesting. I think they're going to have San Luis favorite because Tiger is on the road. So that might be my first suspected draw. I don't know yet. And Tiger draw. Just initially, that's how I look at it first, and then I'm going to go in depth. And then if we look at this Expansión, we took a look at the Expansión. And let me see, Apertura, Atlanta. They was the dog, but Celaya is alright. Atlanta should be favored, but they both good. So this is another draw potential. Atletico Morelia at Tampico Madero. Atletico Morelia. They both about the same. Home. This is another draw. Atletico Morelia and Tampico. I'm gonna put a double draw because they both sorry. Atlanta might can pull it off. So I'm gonna put a little star by Atlanta name. Cancun at Correcaminos. I love my little dog. We know Cancun can be. Cancun can be that dog, and they home. Correcaminos. Ooh, I think Cancun my next favorite. I hate betting against my Correcaminos. Dorados de Sinaloa. They don't finish the season off 3 straight. And they gotta play Zacatecas Mineros. And they just kept drawing. I like this to draw too, but I lean toward Dorados de Sinaloa. Dorados de Sinaloa. Okay, that's the initial. I think they might draw. That's the initial look at it. We're going to look at some head-to-head action real quick. Yeah. All right, y'all, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Rudy Guru, Studio One Live, Soccer Guard. First game, Atletico San Luis at Tigers. UANL. Man, don't tell me. Don't ask me what that stands for. I forgot. I'm going to be honest. Head-to-head. Let's look at this head-to-head layout here. Okay. San Luis, you just got destroyed by Monterey 5-1. You were on the road, but Monterey is one of the top dogs in this league. You did beat Atletico San. I mean, you beat them the first game. Okay, it was a 2-leg playoff thing. You won at home, then you got destroyed on the road. Okay, so you can win at home here, is what they're saying. You beat Tiger in the playoffs at house 3-0. Just at the Apertura playoffs right here, December 1st, November 28th, right before they, holiday break, as we said. Tiger, boy, I mean, at the Tiger, look at them and they club friendly. They had a little preseason game, and they look like they up form, but they played a little Atletico La Paz, the team down in the B League, basically. I'm not impressed, Tiger. 7-1, that's how you should do it. Now head to head, Tiger been getting the upper hand at this game. Oh, Atlas had a club friendly too. They played a tougher opponent, and they had a 1-1 draw with Atlas. To me, this had a draw written all over it. Anybody hurt? Man, let me check their little. I'm gonna check their little roster, man, real quick. That's real quick. I want to see if anybody hurt. Let's check it. Real quick, man. I'm sorry. Little detour. I want to know, man. More information, the merrier. Let me see. Chavez Ricardo. They shouldn't be hurt. It's the first game back. They good. I don't see no injuries. No injury. Bolick Frank here. Leo Bonatini here. You see that boy from France. That boy ain't playing. Salash Limon, boy. Okay, they look good to me. Let me see what Tiger Ross is looking like. See what they squad looking like. Tiger. What y'all got going on, Tiger? Okay. Cordova Sebastian for nobody. I don't see anybody hurt. They got the other France boy, Andre Gignac. 7. Ooh. Boy, Tiger ain't playing now. Tiger ain't playing. They all rested, man. They well rested. But what I want to know too, I gotta look at this. Who been predominantly good in these Clausuras? Let me look at the last year, how it shook up. Okay, Apertura, Tiger was in third, boom. And then, let me see how they playoffs went. Tiger went to the championship, got bought by Club America. Let me see how they came into Clausura doing. That was respectable. They were respectable. How was their away record? 4-2-3, but they ended bad. Boop, boop, boop. I wonder how did they start out? Shit, all three they lost. They started out good. Just tell me they should probably start out good. How did San Luis do? They weren't too good at home. Draw 2 times. Playoff, who made it the playoffs? Tiger. I got a bet Tiger or the draw. Tiger's the big dog, man. They're a big dog. San Luis, I understand y'all had that little success. And they want their get back, man. I'm gonna go with, matter of fact, pause this. We gotta find out what the spread is for this. One momento, por favor. Right now, Tiger is the favorite by plus 107. You know what? I said I'm gonna try a parlay with my favorites. So let me write down these 14 parlays as I said I'm gonna do. One of them, number one, I gotta write my strategy. I'm gonna go with Tiger. I think they might do it, but on one of my upsets, I think Atletico San Luis can do it at home. They did it in their playoff plus 260. I gotta try that on one. I got to. That's how I'm gonna split it up. I'm gonna split that up right off the rip. Tiger and San Luis on a separate ticket because I'm that. And they're gonna be on my all draw ticket because I think they could definitely draw. They definitely could draw. Definitely could draw. That's usually what happens when the better team goes on the road. That plus zero, that half a point with plus 104 is nice too. But this is what killed me last night. I had everything right, but I went against Toluca, and now this is Tiger. So I better be careful. Let's go to the next game. Guadalajara Chivas at Santos Laguna. Who you like? Anything? Is it a better read on this game? I like Guadalajara out the rip because they're at home. They was one of the premier favorites in the beginning of this read. Santos beat them only one time at their house at home in the last 5 times. That they have lost 2 straight, but that was in the playoffs. They got bopped out the playoffs, obviously. I can't see Santos Laguna beating them, man. I like Guadalajara Chivas. They passed my favorite test. They're supreme favorite. They lose, then we just lose tonight. They just don't come. You know, Cruz Azul, I think the same thing about them. I think they was top dog last year. They lost the Club America in the championship 4-3. That's why I was like last night, how Club America the underdog plus 231. What? Give me them. They won 1-0. Alex been being able to do Cruz Azul, man, but I don't think they gonna be able to fade Cruz Azul at home this time. I'm sorry. Cruz Azul minus 269, Guadalajara minus 243. You heard it. Matter of fact, let me do a quick parlay with my favorite right now. Boom, I'm gonna take that minus one. I think they're gonna blow them out, cuz. Blow them out. Now, this is the Mexico Liga Expansion. Atlanta favorite. Morelia favorite. Oh, they play Java Brava. Cancun and Sinaloa, no? So Kaka the favorite. Take a look real quick. Now, what was these? Didn't I already look at this? I did. We looked at the standings. We like the slanter. We think draws all throughout this shit. Let's see the head-to-head action. Tampico, Madero, at Atletico Morelia. They both look kind of shabby to me. Trout, Tampico, Atletico, Trout. What make you think they ain't play no, or they did play Cub friendly. They lost to Querétaro 1-0. That's a good little fight they put up. Tampico, Guadalajara beat them 1-0 too. Man, these boys gonna draw, man. These boys probably ain't gonna get nothing going, man. Give me the draw, man. I cannot. Atletico Morelia. Draw. I can only bet them to draw. Matter of fact, I like Cancun, boy. Atlanta at Celaya. Oh, this the draw. Oh, that's their real name. Jaiba Brava. I thought their name was Tapico Madero. I don't know. They got another name. Atlanta at Celaya. Celaya, boy. Celaya ain't playing now. Celaya ain't playing now. This is my other upset Spessy. Atlanta, they got him, nigga. But Celaya got him last. I don't know, Celaya. What y'all got going on today? To me, this is another draw. Yeah, look at all they games draw. Draw. They gonna draw, boy. You know that shit. Man, I gotta beat that draw. I promise you. That draw. I promise you. What else? I don't know. Y'all gotta draw. They gonna draw. Celaya can beat them. Celaya can beat them, boy. Plus 360. I'm looking at that. Tampico can beat them too. They can beat them too. I'm gonna look at it deep. I might put a 3-team parlay. Nothing but upset. Specials. I don't know nothing about that. Join the channel. Y'all get the premium picks where we dig and dive. Cancun, boy. I already like them. I ain't even doing too much. I know I do my dog correcaminos, but not today. Now this is what I want to know. Can Dorados de Sinaloa going there beat Zacatecas Mineros? Let's see. Let me see. They been playing lights out. But Zacatecas Mineros, they been playing them at home though, at their house. They ain't playing at Dorados in a while. Dorados de Sinaloa, and they been blowing shit out at their house. Man, give me Dorados de Sinaloa right now. Plus 182. Damn, what you do? Damn. I got a 17 parlay with all these teams. That's where we going. $1, $3.94. I'll try it. This is micro grinding. Y'all try that shit. Hard Rock app in Florida. You be poker players, you know. You got all kind of shit. Clear that shit out. That's really it, man. Man, to be honest, man, I like Dorado. I'm finna look at my damn series bet. Dorado, Sinaloa. I like them. I think they can go in there and bust that shit. Celaya, maybe. Atlanta. I remember last time I watched Atlanta was on your ass, man. I remember last time I watched that game. Matter of fact, man, Atlanta was on their ass last time, man. I don't believe it. Celaya. Y'all be, that's why y'all not that much. Y'all on the road. Y'all be with that bullshit, man. You know I like Cancun. I'm gonna put the minus 193. Cancun. Bingo. Dorados. I told you I like Dorado. I'm gonna put the 105 just in case they drop. I'm trying to be safe. I am gonna put one with the plus 180. I like them. But then the Zacatecas coming in and beat that shit. You know they going over too, hey Roo. You know that shit over. Hell yeah, I've been lights out on the overs. Let me go with the overs. You trying to be for sure. Cancun, Correcamino, what is it, -3. Man, they not finna get 4. Cause Correcamino, if they upset them, which I think they could, it'd be 1-0. Cancun might beat them 2-0. At the most, I don't know. I don't think they getting 4 goals, bro. Promise you that. You're not getting 4. You're not. Atlanta Slayer. Man, I gotta look at this shit for real, Slayer. What's going on, man? I might have to check y'all rosters out. They both played pretty decent. Oh, y'all had a club friendly at Pumas. Them boys played Puma. Them boys played Pueblo. They beat Pueblo. But then Slayer bust their ass a little bit before that. Shit. I don't know, Slayer. Shit. Boy, Slayer might bust that shit, boy. Slayer might bust it, dog. I'm trying to tell you. Man, I ain't fucking with Atlanta, man. Man, I like Slayer. Man, I'm going with the upset special. Dorado State Senador Slayer. Man, I like Brava. Matter of fact, go with that plus 100 Brava. You go back over here. Man, the San Luis, man, you just bust them, boy. You bust them already. You bust them. This the 14 upset special. Slayers, Sinaloa, Chaba Brava, Atletico San Luis. I gotta try that upset special. $1 for the 92, that ain't bad. $10 will make you $9.20 if you want to try big. Try big. Try big. Hey, Roo. Going with the favorite. One for the favorite. Tiger. Guadalajara. Cruz Azul. Hey, we just trying $4 to see where it go. I'm going to try your Atlanta, but I know y'all ass be hoes. I'm going to try y'all 1-4. Cancun. And I'm going to try Veneros and Cadecas. Cause they might come out there and bust some shit. Yeah, I got. That's it, man. That's it. Y'all saw those 7. If y'all just want to try 2 or 3, y'all saw what we like out of them. Y'all know the back favorite. Let's go review it. In the Mexico Liga Clausura, y'all know I like that as a draw. Y'all see the Tigers, the big dog. Y'all seen San Luis beat them last in the playoffs. Do Tiger be mad and come out there? That's why I like the draw. The under looks good too. It's like a 1-0, 1-1 game, 2-0 game. But then again, it could be 2-1 if Atletico San Luis actually win this game. So be careful on that. Guadalajara. That's almost locks in the golden barrel. Cruz Azul. To me, that's almost a lot. Look, these boys plus 625, plus 775. Almost like they don't have a chance. And then in the Mexico Liga Expansion, y'all seen what I said about Club Slayer. Alright now. But Atlanta the favorite. I watched the game recently. Not the 3-0 game that Club Slayer just bust their ass on recently. But I watched the game where Atlanta looked like they were just faster and bigger and pushing them around. I was like, damn, Slayer. But that didn't happen this past November. So, you seen what I did. I tried an upset special. Atletico Morelia at Chaba Brava. What? Y'all know I live Tampico, Madero, a.k.a. Chaba Brava. Beat them ass. I had to try that upset special. And my little dogs, Correcaminos. I went against them today. If they beat me, because they have beat me like that before. There was something like this before. And they won nothing. And I was upset at myself. But I'm sorry, Correcaminos. You're plus 450. I don't believe in you. Vegas don't believe in you unless they're lying. If y'all win this game, I will never believe Vegas again. Ever. Dorados de Sinaloa takes on Mineros de Zacatecas. What? What? Y'all know I like Toronto, Sinaloa. The boys ain't played at their house in a while. Mineros, Zacate, because have been busting them 2 straight times, but they were at their house. They haven't played in Dorado, Sinaloa in a while. The Sinaloa cartel, like, boy, you want to see your family? You ain't finna come in here with that foolishness. Dorados de Sinaloa. Let's go. That's the block today, man. Let's get it.